Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mallard 5 Farmhouse. I hope you all had a great Christmas and enjoyed the times with your families. I just want to say welcome to all of you who have came over from my buddy Lucas's channel, 1806 StoneHouse. He gave me a shout out in his last video, and a bunch of you have come over, and I just wanted to say thank you for checking our channel out, and I hope you stick around because we have a lot of things going on here on our 50-acre farm in Ohio. And one of the things that we're working on here at our farm is my old 1957 Ford 850 tractor. And if you're new here, I'll give you the history of this tractor. This tractor used to be my Uncle Mike's. He bought this tractor, he restored it, and he and I would go in his woods and we would cut firewood with this tractor. We'd use the winch on it, and we'd also hook up a trailer and haul the wood out of the woods and take it to his outdoor wood stove. So what I'm trying to do right now is I have an oil leak on the bottom of this tractor somewhere, and I'm trying to pinpoint it. Right now I'm using this crud cutter degreaser and taking the grease off everything, trying to shine this tractor back up. He did a great job restoring this tractor, and I just want it to look nice. And the other problem I have with this tractor is the brakes. It doesn't have very good brakes, so we're going to work on that too. We're going to take the tire off tonight and see what kind of brakes is on it and if I can order some new ones. I'm thinking about ordering new brakes from Steiner's. I don't know if they have the right kind or not. That's what we're going to find out. So let's get started. I should have assumed this, but these tires are loaded. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Hear the, I suppose it's rim guard, beet juice sloshing around in there. So that's good, but it makes the tire super heavy. So I'm gonna try to get this out of the way. Okay, so that tire is leaning against my dumbbell rack. So I guess I'm finally putting it to good use. So let's check out what we have here. I don't know what to expect. Everything's nice and painted. Everything's nice and clean. This is like a regular vehicle. Ooh. Okay, I'm not sure. There appears to be 3 clips. I get some light on this. Okay, there appears to be some clips here. And I'm not exactly sure how to take them off. Let's try a flat bed. See if we can try out on them a little bit. Okay, and one more over here. We're going to get it started. Spin it around. We know the trick now after 2 tries. Now we just spin it off. Alright, so we're finally going to see what we got behind here. Look how nice that looks. Just needs shined up a little bit. We'll shine her up. We're going to have to get some touch-up paint or something to fix all that. I just want it to be as nice as he had it when he restored it. But we are going to use it. Make no mistake, we will use this tractor. I'm going to hang this light right off this tripod, I think. That should work pretty good. Okay. Let me zoom you guys out so you can see everything. Okay, here we go. I should just, it's coming. Little by little. Here it comes. All right. Huh. Well, I tell you what. These brake pads are not bad at all. Let me show you. See that? There is plenty of pad left. So I'm just going to have to adjust these. And it looks like we adjust them right over here. So over here is where you adjust it. But it seems to be... Ow! Well, it seems to be pretty seized up. So what I might have to do is spray this down and let this sit overnight. I don't know if any of you watch that Project Farm channel. I do. It's got some pretty neat stuff on it, especially for people who like working in a shop and like working on this stuff. He did a video on different penetrating oils, and he pretty much proved that letting them sit for 24 hours makes a huge difference when you're using silicone or WD-40, whatever you use. He had different kinds on there too, and I forget which one won the competition or whatever, but no matter what brand you use, it's better to let it sit for 24 hours. So I might let it just sit tonight and see if we can move this thing in the morning. This is going to be a winter project. There's no rush. I would like to get the winch hooked up to it sometime and drag some logs out with it. So that'd be nice, but eventually this thing's going to be used for raking and tedding hay. But I can't move that, so I'm going to spray her down. I'm going to let her sit for the night. Before we get started cutting wood, I wanted to show you my old Sawhaul. And you can see the top of it, how thin the top is. Well, Sawhaul has upgraded and they have come out with this new scabbard, and see the difference in thickness on the top. So that makes it a lot nicer. It's less likely to break now. So if you order one, that's how it's going to come. And also they've added this piece here to put your wrenches and your files for your chainsaw. So pretty handy. Okay, so there are our $161 set of forks for the tractor, and they are clamp on. They clamp right onto the bucket. And what's nice about this set, they also have the adjustable stabilizer bar just to keep them from going side to side. So I think I'm going to set this up to be able to use regular pallets, and then we'll just use it for firewood and picking up logs with that setting. So we'll go ahead and get them installed. Okay, let's get a pallet. And it looks like we're at a pretty good distance there. Okay. And then, so they're straight. That looks pretty good. And we're going to set them. Well, I'm going to set them in the back. Yeah, just like that. It just seats right down onto the bottom of the bucket. And I'm not going to put it too tight. We'll put that down, that little foot. Okay, we'll give that a little tighten with the wrench. Same size as our bolts. Tighten that up, and we'll turn it around and do the other one. That one's already seated. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's go try this thing out. Alright, so for $161, I have to say that I'm very impressed with this set of forks. They're clamp-ons. I'm going to show you a little bit closer view of how they clamp on. But I will say they did kick a little bit when I went underneath that log and tried to pick it up. They kicked to the side a little bit. With that being said, if you're going to buy a set of these, I would definitely recommend getting a set with this stabilizer bar going across to both forks. If it wasn't for that, they probably would have kicked all the way to the side. But they didn't move that much with this stabilizer bar. So, for $161, these things are going to be able to do everything that I need them to do. And I think if you buy a new set at Rural King, they cost about $600. I mean, I'm not lifting anything super heavy, so I think these will do whatever I need them to do. They're easy to put on and easy to take off, and you can leave your bucket on. So let me give you a little closer view of how these things hook on. So we have that round tubing there and our bolt with this, I guess another nut right here that goes flat against your bucket. So we have that little piece there in the back that sits against the bottom of your bucket. And then on up here, it is tight against the bucket up here in the front. So overall, these things don't hardly move. If you're messing with pallets, I don't think they'll move at all. Picking up logs though, there's a chance that they can kick side to side, especially for me because I'm on a little hill here. But I'm impressed. Okay, so like I said, I'm very impressed with this set of forks. I will put the link off eBay for them in the description. And then also I'll put the promo code for these Sawhauls in the description also. You can get a 5% discount using the promo code Mallard5. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, everybody, thanks for watching.